LinkedIn and email outreach can be game changers for booking more meetings. But with so many automation tools out there, it's easy to waste time on the wrong tool. That's why in this video, we're comparing Salesforge and La Growth Machine. I'm Sam and I reviewed hundreds of sales tools. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform helps you scale smarter and not harder. The more accounts you can connect, the more outreach you can do. But La Growth Machine only lets you connect one sender, which caps your growth quickly. But Salesforge gives you unlimited senders. You can connect multiple accounts all in one plan without paying extra. You of course need campaigns to actually run outreach, basically sequences of connection requests, follow-ups, and messages. But building them from scratch can be time-consuming. La Growth Machine tries to solve this by offering templates. So if you're fine setting things up manually, both tools work the same. But with Salesforge, templates are just coming, making setup just as easy. Once people start replying, managing conversations gets messy fast. Problem is, La Growth Machine doesn't have a centralized inbox, so you'd have to bounce between accounts to reply to prospects. That's why Salesforge gives you a prime box where all replies land in one place, meaning you can manage all of your conversations and go a step further with AI draft replies feature that suggests answers to you, saving you more time and booking meetings faster. Reaching prospects across multi-channels is critical, but La Growth Machine only gets you so far. It does cover LinkedIn, email, X, and even call reminders, which is good, but it doesn't include the scale or resources you need to push volume. Therefore, Salesforge supports LinkedIn and email while also giving you 10,000 active contacts, 50,000 emails sent, personalization and validation credits, and premium mailbox warm-up all included in the same plan. Outreach is useless without leads. Both platforms offer a database, but La Growth Machine's database is more limited and requires more manual filtering. That's why Salesforge uses LeadsForge, powered by AI, to find lookalike leads, competitors' followers, or your exact ICP faster and more accurately. Integrations extend what your tools can do. La Growth Machine connects with thousands of apps through integrations, and Salesforge does too. It has Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and many more integrations. La Growth Machine also offers proxies, but Salesforge packs more into the same plan by allowing you connect unlimited mailboxes, use free email warm-up, and AI hyper-personalization. Also, costs matter. La Growth Machine looks cheaper at $70 per month, but that's for one sender and fewer included resources. Therefore, Salesforge at $96 per month gives you unlimited senders, multi-channel outreach, AI, and all the extras built in. So if you want to grow, it ends up being far better value. So here's the bottom line. La Growth Machine gives you the basics and some extras like X outreach and call reminders. But if you want unlimited scale, built-in AI, multi-channel outreach done right, and better overall value, Salesforge is the stronger choice. Therefore, if you want to learn how to actually set up multi-channel outreach to get the best results possible, then go watch this video, because that's what I covered there next. See you there.